Then after we must have made our filter and everything, this is what we got. So these are the power banks that fall under our filter. So it is now left for us to evaluate what we really need, which one we like or which one we don't like. So checking out this first product. This first product is 10,000 mAh. If you're checking, the seller has been on Alibaba for 5 years, and the seller is verified, and the seller has a trade assurance, and the seller has a transaction level of 4 gold, and also the seller has 90 review of 4.9. This is incredible. This is good. And the second option is the seller has been on Alibaba for 1 year. The seller is verified, trade assurance is there, and 3 gold, sorry. And also this one has been on Alibaba for 8 years, verified, trade assurance, 4 gold, and has 11 reviews. So I think it is left for you to decide which seller meets your standard. Also, let's try to select the first option. You can watch the video of the products to know how it is. So you still have to make your own research on this particular product. As you can see in this product, the capacity of this power bank is 9,000 to 10,000, and the price is $6.7. $6.75. This is $2,450. So the cost of the power bank, 10,000 capacity of power bank, is $2,450. Then, making further research, you can take a look at the features of the products. Then also go down to study these products, the features and specifications.